We are in art class today, and our artist, we are calling her Drake, has been working on this. Tell the folks about your photograph
It's just some old bottles with dandelions.
that spoke to you loudly.
Well, actually, I put them together. I put them in picked those out of the backyard.
And then arranged your
I
elements.
put them in a shadow box and took several photographs until I got the light that I wanted.
And so tell us what you've been doing today as you've been working to bring everything together.
Today, I mainly just went back in with darks to give it some depth, and then the final, the light on the dandelions in the bottles
Yes.
is usually the last thing that I do,
Uh-huh.
so that came out well.
It did come out well. You're exactly right.
Thank
We could almost blow on them. And I see light patterns that move the viewer through the painting and then also through the darks, da-da-da. And I noticed today that you added some of this earth tone here so that it wasn't just over there, that it was also there. So congratulations, kiddo.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.